Hello all, how are you? Hoping that you are doing good. In this video we are going to discuss some important problems and solutions. Let's get started. The first problem is, if a 23-year-old person is replaced by a new person, then the average age of 34 persons increases by 2. What is the age of the new person? It is given that there are certain number of people, like 34 number of people are there in the team. Out of them, 23-year-old person was sent away and a new person was included. As soon as the new person was included, the average age of the entire team has been increased by 2. And now we were asked to find out the age of the new person. Coming to the solution, it was clearly given that the average age of the entire team was increased by 2. That means the new person must be elder than the old person. That means the new person should have the age which is greater than 23. So that's why we have written 23 plus. Next, how many people are there in the team? There are 34 members. And how much was increased? 2 was increased. That means on an average every person's age was increased by 2. That's why 34 into 2. So 23 plus 34 into 2, that equal to 23 plus 68, that is 91 is the age of the new person. Let me repeat again. The new person should have the age more than 23. Only then the average gets increased. That's why we have written 23 plus. Now how much it was got increased? What is the age of the new person? Greater than 23 means there are 34 people in the team and each and every person's age was increased by 2. That is the meaning of average. So that's why 34 into 2, 23 plus 68 equal to 91. This is the new age. Moving to the second question. If A is to B equal to 3 is to 11 and B is to C equal to 9 is to X, A, B and C are in the continued proportion, then find the value of X. The word continued proportion is very important over here. What is continued proportion? If A by B equal to B by C equal to C by A and so on, that is called continued proportion. So it is given that A by B equal to 3 by 11, B by C equal to 9 by 6. Therefore, X equal to 33. And there is another term called compound proportion. Compound proportion is different. If x1 is to y1, x2 is to y2, x3 is to y3, then x1 into x2 by x2 into x3 by y1 into y2 into y3. This is called compound proportion. This is called continued proportion. Hope you understood the difference between these two terms. Moving to the third question. If the difference between compound interest at 20% for 3 years and 2 years respectively is 4,464, then find the sum invested. Here the compound interest is 20% per annum. Amount percentage after 1 year is 120%, that is 100 plus 20% equal to 120%. Amount percentage after 2 years is 144%, because 100% is the principal and 44% is a 2 years compound interest. Amount percentage after 3 years means 144 into 20 by 100, 21's 25's, 5 28.8, 5 into 28.8 equal to 144. Then amount percentage after 3 years is 172.8%. It is clearly given that 172.8 minus 144 is equal to 28.8%. This is the difference. This value is given as 4,464. And we were asked to find out the principal investment, that is 100%. So 100 by 288 into 44,640. Numerator and denominator will be multiplied by 10. After all the cancellation, we get 15,500. Option E is the right answer. That is the principal. Fourth question. A trade has 80 kg of rice. A trade has 80 kg of rice, part of which he sells at 14% profit and the rest at 24% profit. He gains 20% on the whole. What is the quantity sold at 24% profit? There is a rice of 80 kgs and it was sold out at two kinds of profits. One profit is 14% and another profit is 24%. As a whole profit he achieved was 20%. And we were asked to find out the quantity of 24% profit. We can go with mixture and alligation method. This is the 14% profit, this is the 24% profit. On the whole, the trader received 20% profit. So 24 minus 20 equal to 4 and 20 minus 14 equal to 6. So the ratio is 2:3. 2 parts for 14%, 3 parts for 24%. We were asked to find out the 3 parts, that is 24% quantity. 5 parts value is 80 kg, this is we know. 3 plus 2 equal to 5 parts, 5 parts value is 80 kg, and we were asked to find out the 3 parts. 3 by 5 into 80 equal to 48 kg. Option C is the right answer. Moving to the last and final question, fifth one. 3 persons A, B and C invested a total amount of 77,000 in a business. Investment of B is 20% less than A, and investment of C is 60% more than B. Find the sum of shares of A and C. There are 3 people, A, B and C. A's investment is 100%, let us consider. B's investment is 20% less than the 100%, that is 80%, and C's investment is 60% more than the B's investment. So 60% of 80% is 48%. So 80 plus 48 equal to 128%. Cancelling with 4 table, 425s, 420s, 432s. We were asked to find out the shares of A, sum of shares of A plus C. So A plus C equal to 57. Total number of shares are 77 parts. 57 plus 57 by 77 into 77,000. That is A plus C is equal to 57,000 rupees. Option D is the right answer. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and be happy.